In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to change country or region on your PS5. Let's get started. If you want to change the region on your PS5, here is the key thing to know. You can't change the region on your existing PlayStation account. Instead, you'll need to create a brand new account that's registered in the country you want. From your PS5 home screen, go to the user selection screen, select add user and then choose get started to add a new permanent user. On the next screen, when it asks you to sign in, select create an account instead of signing into your old one. Now this part is very important. During the setup process, you'll be asked to choose your country or region. This is where you select the new country you want your account to be based in. Take your time here. Once the account is created, that region can't be changed later. Next, you'll need to enter a valid email address that is not already linked to any PlayStation account. You'll also set up your passport, date of birth, and other basic info. Once everything is filled out, finish the setup and your new PSN account will be created for that reason. After that, just log into the new account on your PS5. You will now have access to the PlayStation Store for that specific country. All the prices, available games and regional deals will match the country you selected. If you want to buy more games or subscriptions from the store, remember, your payment method must match that region. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.